Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is like my very first video from my kitchen. Hooray! So basically today I'll be making gizdodo, and if you follow me on Instagram you will know that I run a food business known as Gem Comida. You can also follow it on Instagram, and on Facebook we have a page. So basically I'm making gizdodo today, and we're going to be using some plantain, some gizzard, and some seasonings like thyme, magic syrup, salt to taste, basil leaves, Italian seasoning, curry, and all-purpose seasoning, some cayenne pepper as well. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is wash my gizzard and then clean it up and cut them into small chops, because I actually like to cut them tiny before boiling, because I feel like if I'm going to boil them and start cutting them, it's like so much work. So I just cut first before seasoning it. So yeah, I'm going to cut it into tiny bits and then season it and boil it till it's almost done, because I'm going to cook this again. So basically these are like the small sizes that I've been able to cut it down to, so I'm just gonna marinate it. So watch me do this. So as you can see, I've put the gizzard to boil. I'm just going to open my plantains, cut them into small bits for frying. So basically plantain is one of the most important, I feel like it's actually very important, plantain and gizzard, when making this. So yeah, I'm going to cut this into smaller bits and have to fry them. So watch me do this. So yeah, this is tomato, onion, and ginger. I'm going to blend them because this is what we'll be using to make the tomato sauce. I actually have tomato paste inside the fridge. I'm going to be using that later as well. So this is the gizzard. It's already boiled and it's okay. So I'm just gonna set this aside and start frying the plantain. So yeah, this is frying the plantain. Let's wait for that. While doing that, we're just gonna blend everything and then set aside. Oh my god, I love to hear blenders, I don't know why. And then these are the vegetables I'll be using: carrots, corn, and some green and red bell peppers. Actually, trust me, green peppers have a special flavor to your food. You do not want to miss that. So watch me chop this and set them aside. So as you can see, I'm just gonna let the oil heat, and then we'll start making our tomato sauce. This is me adding everything that I've blended. Actually, I wanted the onion to be a little bit hard, so I didn't want to like blend everything so the flavors can, be there, that's easy. And then this is me adding tomato paste, and I'm going to make a sauce. Can you imagine? I'm so excited. So yeah, basically this is one of my best sellers. Like, everybody love my gizdodo. I don't know why, but every time I post it, I always sell out. So yeah, this is me, turning it. If you're going to be turning, don't be a lazy man. Always stir in the middle. Don't stir side by side. Those are lazy men's way of stirring. Always stir in the middle. I always tell people this. And then I'm just going to season all of this with cayenne pepper. I'm using cayenne pepper powdered from, because basically one of the people that will be eating this food don't like fresh pepper, so that's the more reason why we're not using fresh pepper in this. And I'm adding in the gizzard that I've made so that all the sauce, all the flavors from the meat will get into the sauce. And this is also to help me know how much Maggi, how much salt I'm going to be putting in. It goes a long way. Don't just season before adding your roots from before adding all the stocks from your proteins. So that is thyme, basil leaves, all the flavors that I showed you earlier. That's all that I'm adding in, and then I'm going to stir properly and let it boil for a few minutes. And on to the next. I'll be adding the plantains and all of that inside, and all the vegetables. Just keep watching and enjoy your meal. So if you've been watching up to this point and you have not subscribed, what are you even waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, and I'll be posting more exciting meals and more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, like, comment, and share this post to your family and friends. Love you all. Bye.